Hey guys, so pretty exciting. For the first time, Google has sent me a free box stuff to review. And I know one thing that's in here, but there's clearly more than just one item. I think a lot of you guys can guess it. But nonetheless, let's go and unbox it. Okay, wow, that's pretty nice. In the future, guys, I'll try having like a second camera up here to make a better view for it. But you see right there, we got teampixel. All right. Alright, so a lot of good stuff. Pretty cool to pixel stand. Just a wireless charger. We got a teampixel, I actually forget what these are called. Is it a fanny pack? Oh, regardless, there it is. And we got, looks like a Pixel 3 instruction guide. Google My Case, so looks like an official Google Pixel case. Oh, and actually there it is. And we got just some info there from teampixel. And of course, the thing you all been waiting for is the Google Pixel 3. Now guys, I have to say I'm extremely happy that they sent this rather than the XL model. I know the XL model has been getting a ton of slack because of the huge notch on it, but really glad that this phone does not have a notch on it. And on the back we got teampixel. Alright guys, that pretty much wraps it up. Of course, I will be doing a full unboxing on the Pixel 3. So again, big thank you to Google for sending all this stuff over. And a lot of reviews coming shortly.